Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you guys through the introduction to Forex trading. Anything you need to know about Forex, a step-by-step introduction to Forex trading, the details you guys need to know about Forex trading. So without wasting my time, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be recording videos on anything you need to know about Forex. Anything you guys need, just drop it in the comment section. I'll just do videos on them. Anything you want to know, just comment on it, and then we are good to go. So let's start. Introduction to Forex trading. People have been asking me different kinds of questions. What is Forex? What does it mean? So today I want to keep it pretty simple. So when we say Forex, what does Forex mean? Forex means foreign exchange, and when we say foreign exchange, it basically means exchanging a local currency for a different currency. So let me give you a classical example. Like, I'm in Ghana right now, so if I want to exchange my Ghanaian cedis for a different country's currency, let's say the United States dollar. So once I want to exchange my local currency for a foreign currency, we call it foreign exchange. Foreign exchange, exchanging your local currency for a different currency. So let's continue. Forex is the simultaneous buying and selling of currencies. So when we say the simultaneous buying and selling of currencies, it basically means it's either you are buying a currency or you are selling the currency. So let me take you guys to the chart, then I will explain it further for you to understand. Okay, so looking at this chart, when we say simultaneous buying and selling of currencies, so when we say something is simultaneous, so that means either you are buying the currency or you are selling the currency. So let's take this currency pair for example. ZOR US dollar, that's the gold US dollar pair. So imagine this chart going up, that means we are buying gold. And anytime you see the chart coming down, that means we are selling gold and we are buying US dollar. So that's the meaning of simultaneous buying and selling. So you can choose to place a buy trade or a sell trade. So Forex is like a little bit of gambling. So you decide, you predict where the market will go. So you choose either to buy or you sell. So that's why we say simultaneous buying and selling of currencies. Anytime you are buying a currency, that means you are predicting the currency to move up. And anytime you are selling, it means the currency will be falling. Okay, the next point is trading one currency for another. And when we say trading one currency for another, before you can trade Forex, we don't trade only one currency. We pair two currencies, then we trade the Forex market. So before you can trade, that means we add two currencies. Let's take this as an example, the pound and the dollar. So once we pair these two currencies, you can trade one currency for another. That means you can exchange one currency for another. That's the meaning of trading one currency for another. And then the last point is Forex is the largest financial market in the world. When we say Forex is the largest financial market in the world, we have different kinds of financial market. We have the stock, we have the cryptos, we have the indices, the metals. Among all these, Forex is the largest. Why is it the largest? It's because it has the much volume, like in a day. So in a day, there is about almost 6 trillion turnover, if I'm getting it right. I think the number might be quite different, but the money we exchange on the Forex market is larger than any financial market. That's why we regard Forex as the largest financial market in the world. Okay, the next thing we will be talking about is who are those who trade Forex. So who trades Forex? Who are the people who trade Forex? One is the banks. So when we say the banks, that's the individual banks of any country. When you go to US, you see different types of banks. You can see small banks, big banks, like different kinds of bank. Yeah, that's the banks. The banks in any country. So as in Ghana, we have Eco Bank. We have different types of bank. That's banks. So the banks also trade forex. They trade forex like we do. So the next one is the central banks. The central banks are, any country has its own central bank. Like I'm in Ghana, we have our central bank. That's the Bank of Ghana. So any country has its central bank. They also trade the forex market. Well, because the central banks are, they control the money movement of every country. So they will make sure the country's currency is not depreciating too much. So they will make sure they always stabilize the country's economy. That's why the central banks also trade the forex market. The next one is the corporation. When we say corporation, corporation is like 2 or 3 people or more coming together, joining money together to trade the forex market. So maybe it can be 2 people, it can be 5, it can be 10 coming together. And the last one is the retail traders. When we say the retail traders, that's the individual traders. So that's the people who trade forex market. And then how many days can you trade forex? Forex can be traded 24 hours a day. So it can be traded 24 hours in a day, starting from Sunday 10 p.m. GMT my time and ending on Friday 10 p.m. GMT. So the market opens on Sunday and ends on Friday. So the next thing we'll be talking about is the forex market hours, or the trading sections, the time we trade the forex market. So we have 4 types of market hours, or 4 types of trading sections. We have the Sydney section, the Tokyo section, the London section, and the New York section. So the respective time, you have it there, the Eastern time and then the GMT. So that's the time you choose. So me, like, I'm in Africa, Ghana, so I basically trade the London section and the New York section. And then the London section is having the match volume. So let's take it one after the other. When we say the Sydney section, it's basically around the Australian side here, and the Tokyo is the Japan, the London is the UK, and then the New York is the United States of America. So, like, due to my time, I trade the London section and the New York section, and the reason why is they have the match volume, they have the match trading volume. Okay, so let's move on. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then like this video, so that anytime I'll be dropping video, you guys will be notified. So the goal of a forex trader, any forex trader has a goal, but the goal of a forex trader is to buy low and sell high. So anytime you open the chart, you have to make sure you are buying low and you are selling high. I'll take you guys to the chart and explain the reason why we buy low and we sell high. And then the last point is money is traded in the forex market. So before you can trade the forex market, you need to save some amount of money, then you invest your money for gains. So when we say the goal is to buy low and to sell high, looking at this chart, anytime the market makes a higher high, I'll be dropping a video on market structure, how to draw support and resistance. I'll be teaching you guys step by step, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss anything I drop on my channel. So you see, anytime the market drops, that means the market is low. So you buy low, you buy low, and when market moves to the upside, then you sell. That means you are selling high. This is the reason. Anytime the market is moving and you see, okay, the market has moved too high, that means it's about to retrace back to the downside. So imagine if you are buying here, you started losing money. Yeah, so always make sure you are buying low and you are selling high. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I'll be ending the video here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a positive comment, like the video, share to your friends. I'll be dropping a new video on continuation to forex. I'll be teaching you guys a step-by-step forex trading, so that you guys will know anything about forex. Anything you need to know, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be doing videos on it. Thank you. See you next time.